Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making another budget meal, which is biryani dal with potatoes, curry. My ingredients are, I have here 1.5 cup biryani dal which I picked, washed and soaked overnight. And thereafter I have 5 small potatoes which are cut in halves. Half a cup oil to go with, 1 small onions, 2 small tomatoes cut. Then for my spices I have 1 heaped tablespoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of pure chili powder, 1 teaspoon of hearty, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. For the braising, I have 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaf, and a teaspoon of ginger garlic, and a level teaspoon of rough salt. Then for the garnish, I also have some fresh dhania. Then for the braising, I have curry leaf. Now I'm ready to start my braising. I've got my stove on medium heat, and to my pot I'm putting in my half a cup of oil to heat up. To my heated oil I'm going to add in my onions. And allow these onions to fry out. My onions are browning up, so I'm just going to add in my cinnamon stick to it, my bay leaf, and my curry leaf. To my braise, I'm also going to add in my ginger garlic, and thereafter I'm going to use in all my spices. Now that I allowed my spices to fry, I'm going to gradually add in my biryani dal to it. I'll give this a nice mix and also add in my salt. Three minutes has passed, and as you can see, the biryani dal is fried out with the masalas coated very well. Thereafter, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I'm going to lower my heat now and allow my tomatoes to cook within. Another 5 minutes has passed, and my tomatoes are almost cooked. To this biryani dal curry, I'm going to add in a cup of water, I'll mix and also give another 5 minutes to it. Adding the water is to ensure the biryani dal all get cooked evenly. 5 minutes has passed and my water has dried up. Now I'm ready to add in my potatoes, and I have very soft cooking potatoes. For some reason, if you got potatoes that don't cook very well, so you can braise your potatoes in the first and then add in your biryani dal. But other than that, there's another way to do it by roasting up your potatoes and bringing it to a little soft finish, so you can do it this method. Putting in my potatoes. This potato will take about another 10 minutes to cook. I'm going to give these potatoes a good mix to the curry and then add in another cup of water. There's a cup of water. So this water will allow the potatoes to cook out. But if needed, a little thick gravy, so I'll add in a little more water. "15 minutes has passed, and as you can see, the curry is done so beautiful. We tasted the salt was right, and in total I added 3 cups of water. I usually used to cook biryani dal curry with potato when Pranesh them was going to school. It was so easy to make, and they used to love the sandwiches that used to be made with biryani dal and potato. Now this curry is done. I'm ready to garnish. Switch my stove off and then serve. Here you go, your easy budget meal, which is biryani dal curry with potatoes and served with some lovely roti on the side. And to go with, we have some nice veg pickle. This curry can easily feed 4 to 6 people. This is a very budget meal that takes a very few cheap ingredients and stretches a long way. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.